I am Ritik Yadav. I am back with a new video after a long time. So welcome to the video. In this video we gonna do the question of exponential function. Okay. So before doing this, we'll understand the question in our own language. Okay. So let's go. The exponential function h is defined by h x equals to ab to the power x. Okay. Your function h x given, where a and b are positive constants. If hk equals to p and hk plus 1 equals to 0.45 p, where k and p are constant, what is the value of b? So what we have understood from the question here is the function h(x) is given, and this when x is equals to k, y must be p, and when x equals to k plus 1, y must be 0.45 p. So here k and p are constant. The question is itself given here, so which means k and p must be some integer constant. Okay, or you can put the in point as well. So without wasting our time, let's go in the Desmos and we'll do in some seconds. Okay, so when x equals to k, our y will be p, and when x equals to k plus 1, y will be 0.45 p. 0.45 p. Okay, simply just we copied from the question, and now what we have to type is directly we need to copy the same. Okay, so here hx means y. Okay, I think you guys already know this. We have also considered this hk as y. Yes, y here. Okay, so you need to write here hx equals to y1. Okay, and then ab to the power x1. Simply we just copied, and what the question has said here is k and p are constant, so k equals to 1 and p equals to 1 we'll write here. Okay, because we can put any of the constant here. Okay, if you put k equals to 10, 9, anything, and also similar to the p, also any number, you can see that neither b is decreasing nor increasing, it is being just 0.45. so what we need to understand from here is the value of b is 0.45. okay, so hope you guys like this video, and if you have any confusion related to this question, then you can comment down below. Thank you.